Hello all. In this short video tutorial, let us demonstrate how to create a Google Classroom to conduct student teacher based assignments like conducting an examination, giving an assignment, asking the students to submitting lecture notes, etc. Let's explore this facility in a little detailed manner. For this purpose, both the student and the faculty should have Google account. Let me log in into an Google account, and this is free. That is what I would like to emphasize. So log into an Google account. Once you are logged into Google account, then go to the right top corner. Here you can find toggle points which shows Google applications. Scroll down to locate where the Google Classroom is there. You can find Google Classroom here. Google Classroom is located here. Once the Google Classroom is loaded, then it will appear like this. Here I have already few classes, so that the classes are appearing now, right? Near to your profile picture, again the application toggle points will appear. Left to that there is a plus mark. Once you move the mouse or cursor point to that point, that plus mark, then you will notice that there is an pop-up window which shows create or join class, right? Now as a faculty we need to create a class, so press create, press plus option, then press create. Enable checkbox, continue. So this will be a class, you can say that. For example, engineering physics 2021 batch. For example, it's an example class. Say for example this is A section, subject engineering physics 1, you can say room, it's online. Simple. Create. Once the class is created, that will be listed in the environment. It will take a few seconds time to create a class. Now the engineering physics 2021 batch has been created. Now what are the options here? Now if you want to ask your students to join, see here classwork, there is an option classwork, here there is an option people, there is an option marks. First we need to add the students and teachers. So once you are created a Google Classroom, if you want to add your head of the department, dean or principal, whomever it may be, you have to add the option via teachers. Here there is an option invite teachers. You press that, then enter the Gmail IDs of the teachers whom you want to add, right? Then press invite and email will be automatically sent to them. Or if you want a student, add student, then you can copy the link, right? There is an invite link, you copy the link, send that link through email, or you can share this link through social media platforms like WhatsApp or whatever the medium through which teacher and students have been connected. Or if you are knowing the email addresses of the students, you can enter the email addresses by comma separated, then you can send the mail to the students. Or there is another option to add the students. Go to stream, there you can find class code, press over it, it will be popped up to a larger size, and you can copy this code. It is a unique code for this class, and by using this code any student can join, right? But if a teacher is using this code, then teacher will be joined as a student only, right? If you want to add a teacher, you have to add them by sending an email to him. So these emails should be in Gmail account. So in that way one can add teachers and students. So you can add a number of teachers and you can add a number of students. That's not a problem at all. Fine. Once after adding the students and teachers, see for example I have another class for which I can show how the students and teachers were added. See here I have a class 3rd chemistry B. Here you can find, when you go to people, right, you can find there are 47 students and one teacher is added here, right? So you can email him, or you can remove if this teacher is inappropriate, or you can make the class owner for this class. So all those things you can do here for teachers. And for students, see, you can notice that the student's name appears like register number plus name. So this can be done by asking the students to change their name, profile name as register number and name. So by asking this, we can easily locate the students. So in that way, students have been added. Now class work. This is the thing. Here, what are the class works already given? Here we have given one assignment, one exam, and there are a lot of lecture notes were asked to post, right? The thing is that, let us go to engineering physics class. We'll go to class. See, now we want to ask the students to post their class notes. So we are taking classes online. If you want to ask them to post their notes, whatever they have taken, and you can make them to post as an assignment, that is taking photography of the notes and asking them to post. Or if you are if you are sharing a question and they are taking the question and writing it and submitting the PDF format. But by the way, conducting examinations you can done. So for conducting examinations and for giving class lectures, you can create an assignment. In this assignment, for example, there is an exam, right? Examination question we are going to post here, right? Find the question here and you add the question. Let me add a question as a file from desktop. Let me choose some random files for a demonstration purpose. I have a question. Let me add it here. Right, it is, now it is uploaded. Now you have to assign, right? Whom you have to assign? To all the students of engineering physics class. And you are having multiple class. If you want to add the same question to multiple class, you have to enable the checkbox. That's it. And either you can assign now or you can schedule, right? I have prepared a question. I have given with the timetable. My exam is, for example, my exam is on 12th June. So I can write Saturday. Exam is scheduled on Saturday. So exam, the time of the examination is between 10 to 1. So in that case, I was asked to post the question at 9:30. So that in that case, you press 9:30, right? Now schedule. Right, you can find that there is an examination question which is scheduled for 12th June 9:30. So exactly at the time of 9:30 a.m. 12th June, this question will be visible to the students. Until that, it will not be visible. So students can read the questions 30 minutes earlier, or you can, if you want to put, you can 9:45, then you can do that. So, right, after that, the students, you can edit the assignment. Students will submit the answers, right? So here, later you want to change the timings. You can change the timing, right? You can change the timing instead of that. You can change the date and you can change the time, or you can cancel it by pressing enter. You can cancel it. You can assign now itself. It will assign immediately. You press assign now, right? Now it will be assigned. Here 0 handed in, 0 assigned because no students has been joined, right? If you are assigning this to some other group, for example, let us see with another example. See here, a question has been, go to class work, CEA2. A question was posted on 24/5/2021. right? What is that? See, once it is assigned, here the number will show, right? 47 assigned. What is here? What it means? Handed in. Once the students has submitted the answer script to this Google Classroom, then this assigned become handed in. Here the question was assigned to all 47 students, and all 47 students has written. Who are that 47? You press over it. You can find. You can find all the numbers. Right. Where is that answer script? Right. Here you can find the answer script. Here you can find the answer script. You can download and you can evaluate. Here you can find the apps and download. So in Google Classroom, the student has submitted the answer scripts. Here you have the find an option download. You can download this script and you can evaluate and you can assign marks. Okay, fine. In that way, the students answer script can be accessed by the faculty to the evaluation. Fine. So this is how you can create a Google Classroom and you can post a question likewise. So you can notice that in this Google Classroom, one group of students, they are supposed to submit the lecture notes. See, the students are not regular, they have not properly submitted the notes. Here the lecture notes, students are asked to submit their lecture notes. So for lecture number 10, out of 47, only 2 students have submitted, and you can count this for awarding internal marks and all. So in that way, you can, if you want, you can conduct a quiz, or if you want, you can post a material, whatever things you want, you can do it. So in that way, you can use the Google Classroom for effective teaching, effective conduction of assignments or examinations and so on. And thank you very much for watching.